If you're looking for a simple, flexible side hustle you can do anytime without special skills, interviews, or complicated setups, then you're going to want to hear about Observa, because this one app is helping everyday people earn $15 to $30 per task, and sometimes even more, all from short assignments you can knock out in minutes. Today I'm breaking down exactly how Observa works, who it's best for, how much you can realistically earn, and how to maximize every task you take. Let's get into it. Observa is a crowdsourced audit and mystery shopping app that pays you to complete small, local tasks, usually inside stores, shops, or businesses in your area. These tasks might include taking photos of products, checking prices or displays, confirming product availability, answering short survey questions, verifying marketing materials. Most tasks take around 5 to 10 minutes, and payouts typically range from $4 to $20, with many landing consistently around the $15 mark. It's simple. Observa pays businesses want real-world data, so they pay people like you to go get it. How to get started. Step 1. Download the Observa app. It's available on iPhone and Android. Step 2. Create your profile. No resume, no interview, no experience required. Step 3. Enable location. This allows the app to show you tasks near you. Step 4. Check the map daily. Most tasks fill quickly. Being early makes a huge difference. Once you accept a task, you usually have 2 hours to complete it. After submission, Observa reviews your work and pays out via PayPal or direct deposit, often within just a few days. Let's talk numbers, because that's why you're here. Most Observa users report earning anywhere between $60 and $300 per month, depending on their area and how often they check the app. In big cities, some people earn much more. Here's what influences your earning potential. 1. Your location. Urban areas equals more stores equals more tasks. Rural areas still get tasks, just fewer. 2. Your timing. Observa tasks disappear fast, especially the $15 to $20 ones. Logging in early in the morning gives you first pick. 3. Your accuracy. Good. Clean photos and correct answers lead to faster approvals and more tasks in the future. 4. Travel efficiency. Stacking multiple tasks in one trip dramatically increases your hourly rate. So while each task may take only a few minutes, a smart Observa user can often turn a short errand into $40, $50, or even $80 in under an hour. Not all tasks are created equal. Some consistently pay more. Here are the top categories. 1. Brand audits. These usually pay $15 to $20 and require checking whether certain products are on shelves. 2. Price verifications. Fast, easy checks that pay around $10 to $15. 3. Display and end cap photos. Brands want proof their marketing materials are in place. These typically pay $12 to $18. 4. Restaurant mystery shops. Occasionally, Observa offers food-based tasks where you get paid plus reimbursed. 5. High-priority rush tasks. If a business urgently needs information, they pay more. Some users see rush tasks for $25 to $30. If you want to get the most out of Observa, here are the strategies that top earners follow. Tip number 1. Turn on notifications. High-paying tasks vanish fast. Get alerted instantly, not hours later. Tip number 2. Upload clear photos. Avoid blurry images, reflections, or cutting off the product. Mistakes delay payments or cause rejections. Tip number 3. Read instructions twice. Observa is strict about accuracy. Following the checklist exactly is the difference between fast pay and no pay. Tip number 4. Batch locations. Focus on plazas, malls, and big retail areas where you can complete multiple tasks in one stop. Tip number 5. Start early in the day. Most top tasks appear between 8 a.m. and noon. Tip number 6. No store layouts. The faster you can navigate a store, the faster the money flows. Tip number 7. Be consistent. Good ratings unlock more and higher-paying tasks. Here's the honest breakdown. If you're trying to replace a full-time job, Observa isn't that. But if you want simple, flexible income you can earn alongside errands, during lunch breaks, or on weekends, then Observa is one of the most reliable and highest paying mystery shopper apps available. You don't need any experience. You don't need to talk to anyone. And you can get started today. Earning $15 plus per task is absolutely possible. And with the right strategy, you can turn Observa into a steady stream of extra cash every single month. If you want more breakdowns of legit side hustles, AI tools, and apps that actually pay, make sure you follow, subscribe, or save this video so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.